funny story about when I actually like first started that car.
Mm-hmm.
Like I went through the Holly Wizard and all this other stuff, and I was sitting out in the garage, and the wife was at work. My daughter was upstairs doing who knows what. And I remember turning the key on to prime it, and dash lit up and everything else kicked on, fuel pump primed. And I was like, well, I'm just going to hit this starter, see what happens. And it rolled for like 2 to 3 seconds and started. So here I am like 2.5 years into this build, and no one there to share my excitement of this freaking thing just fired off on accident. So
I remember getting the video, and you're like kind of shaky holding the phone, and like the car was already running because you didn't expect it to fire up, and like, holy crap, this thing's alive, man. That was a great. It
was just it was pretty, it sucked because I had no one there with me, but I even called my wife at work, was like, hey, we got to talk for a second. And she's like, well, what happened? She's like, what's that noise? I was like, it's running.
Yeah. Like, car's running.
No.
Hate to call you during work, but I need to brag.
I got to talk to somebody.
Right.
My daughter came running down, and like that was probably one of the most tear-jerking moments. Like I've had 2, and they both are caused by my kid. Mm-hmm. Like when she come running downstairs, and I'm sitting here like checking things over, making sure there's no leaks. And here she comes with a big ass hug and like, Dad, you have no idea how proud of you I am. And I was like, okay, oh man, this E85's burning my eyes.
Why'd you bring onions out here?
Yeah. Oh man, but no, I mean, seeing the reaction I get from a lot of people, like thumbs ups with just driving around,